A hug longer than 20 seconds will produce hormones into your body that makes you trust the individual who is hugging you. Happiness, rage, sorrow, anxiety, disgust, and surprise are the 6 feelings that are uniformly conveyed. Depression is often referred to as the product of thought. Imagination causes issues that didn't exist. Being happy around people makes you happier. Psychology says, if you are meeting someone for the first time, you only have about 7 seconds to make a powerful impression. Psychologists have found that sending and receiving text messages can actually boost your mood when you are feeling lonely. Shy people tend to have great observational skills, making it easier to recognize the problem than solving it. Friends, if you like our video, please do subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon, so that you can get notification easily. Thanks for watching.